Okay, so let's see this program here. I want to show you how to make computer speak, but this is not the aim of this video. I want to show you how to make an exe file for Windows so that this program will work even if you don't have installed Python on Windows and you want to use this program on another file. So let's see what this program does. This uses the Google text-to-speech module that you have to install it. If you have Python, you just have to go in the command line, and so you can, if you open the command line, you can go inside of it and say pip install gtts, and it will install this module. So you get the gtts module, you get the OS module, then you call this variable name text if you want, and what this program does, it opens a file text named text.txt just in read mode with this encoding to make sure that all the characters are read in the right mode, and then this this will call this object, we call it file, then we will read what's inside the file, then we will make this instance of the class gtts with what is written in this file in Italian, but we could put it in English in another, or in French, and then we save the mp3, and then we start what we saved. It reads the data from this file here, so anything I write here will be read. So let's see what it does. If I'm in Sublime and I start the program with REPL, it should save the file and then read the file. If it works, it should read this file here. It takes some time, maybe it's written.
Gli indici di bilancio servono ad analizzare la situazione.
Okay, this was what was written here in Italian. Now, what do I want to do? So let's go here. I want to make an exe file, and so I open my window here where I saved the file. I open the command line, and I have installed PyInstaller with pipes install PyInstaller. Okay, after you install this program, you can do this: PyInstaller f v. This is to eliminate the console and to make just one file instead of many, just one exe file out of it. So now I will put the name of my main file, that is mp3py, go run it, and it should create the exe file so that I can use this file even if machines that hasn't got Python. So as you can see, he is starting to make the exe file. So it's very easy to make an exe file with Python. It's not true that it's complex. With PyInstaller, I use also Py2exe, but it's more complicated than this. I just have to to run PyInstaller with these two flags here, and it takes and it makes just one file in this way. So I find it very useful and fine, so you can use it in another computer. Now it is analyzing all the stuff that it needs to run the program on any machine, and you will see that the file is not so big. It's a little big, but not that much. Okay, it's continuing, and I think it's going to end soon its process. As you see here, we have some folders that he created. He's appending of Chive to exe file, and it's finished. Let's see. Let's close the command line. Let's see what is inside. There is just one file. Okay, as the program that I made needs this file here, text, I put it aside, the text file. Now I just have to copy it into, because it won't work without this file. Okay, I put it here. Now what it does, wherever you can open this file and change what is inside of it. I can say just in Italian, hello to everybody, and I can save it, for example, so that I can use it for different purposes. And then I will go into this folder. Okay, let's open the containing folder, because I want to click on the exe file to see if it works and reads. Okay, this is the file, the distribution file, where I have my only file. This is, I decided to make this outside of the program or the code, because I want to change it without going here. So I got two files because I decided so. But if I do some other program that doesn't need to have an external input, let's say, so you just will have one file. So essentially is one file. Let's click on it and see if it does the work. It should create an empty file here, and then it should also run it with okay, this is the, you see the file, and I should run the file.
Ciao a tutti.
And as you can see, it has the text. It is changed, and you have your exe file. If I change what I written here, it will change also the file. Of course, it is a very simple program. It will overwrite what I got here, but I could, for example, if you need to have more file, you can just change the name here and call it text1. So if I go here and change in un altro esempio, that it means another example in Italian, for example, I can save this text, go run it again, and it should create another file called text.mp3, so that it won't write the other one.
Un altro esempio.
Okay, and so I can go on doing so. So I made a nice program in Python, and I transformed it in an exe so that I can bring it anywhere on Windows, even if there isn't a Python installed in Windows.